So I've got this Genie garage door opener, and the problem I'm having is that when I push the button to bring the door up, the gear just slips. And so I'm going to see if I can fix that today. So you can hear the gear is just slipping on the screw. So I'm going to take it off and take a look. So the first thing we need to do is disconnect it from the rail by pulling this down. And then we're going to want to pull this cotter pin out. Just taking pliers and pinching it together and sliding it out. That'll give us the ability to pull this pin and drop the door. So as you can see, it doesn't slide all the way off. My garage door's in the way, so I'm going to have to pull. There's a nut over here. I'm going to pull that off. That's all that's holding that rail in, so I'm going to take it and then I can slide my cart off. So here we see our part, and you can see that the gear is all broken out, so we're going to see if we can get a replacement part. Okay, so I probably need the part number to get the part. Unfortunately, I think I have to take off this front cover to do that. And there's just 2 screws on the top holding it in place, so I'm going to pull those. Same screws you would use to change the bolt. And fold that down. And whenever I'm getting a model number, I like to just use my phone and take a snapshot of it. Okay, so here we have our new part. It's a little bit different. It's got this notch cut out here, but it should work fine. And I'm going to put a little grease on here. The grease you can get when you order the part. You can just see what other people have purchased, and there's the kind of light grease. So just grease that up, and I'll show you how to put it back on. There's an arrow on here that shows the direction for the door. So we're just going to make sure we follow those directions. Yeah. We also want to make sure that this is not up like this, that it's down like that. Slide it into place. Next we want to reattach our rail. Now I've got a 1/2 inch bolt here. Nice and tight. Bring this back. Insert our pin from the side that's going to make it easiest to insert the cotter key. Like that, so it doesn't come out. Bending it up, put that lever up, and attach the string that you had on your old. I don't have a string on here, but attach a string onto here so that you can pull this latch down if you ever need to get the door open when you don't have power. So let's give it a try. Okay, so I move the door up like this. Last little tip is just make sure everything's greased and oiled up and ready to roll, and you're good.